How to slow-mo the video in VN Video Editor. Looking to create a slow motion effect in VN Video Editor? Here's a simple way to do it. First, tap the clip in your timeline that you want to slow down. At the bottom menu, tap the speed button. Use the slider to drag the speed down below the normal rate. The lower the number, the slower your video plays. Hit play to preview the slow-mo effect and adjust until it looks just right. Remember, slow motion works best with footage shot at higher frame rates. If your video looks choppy, try using the curve feature to gradually slow down and speed up the clip. Ever made a cool slow-mo video? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can slow-mo the video in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.